Last one of the day, we're going to have a little bit of fun ourselves. Cinnamon Toast Crunch releases Cinnadust. Cinnadust seasoning blend to sprinkle on your ice cream. Have you ever had Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Oh, amazing.
Okay, that's a treat.
It's great.
Though. That's a treat, though. That's not breakfast.
It's not every day. No.
Yeah, you can't.
It's dangerous every day.
It's dangerous. It's too flavorful. It's too tasty. If that stuff showed up in my house as a kid, it wouldn't last. It wouldn't last 5 minutes.
No.
And anyway, so they took the best part of it, the actual cinnamon Cinnadust, and they're going to let you put it on anything. They're going to let you put it on, well, maybe you could even put it on actual actual French toast.
Mm.
You make the French toast, a little bit of maple, and some Cinnadust. You know what I used to do as a kid is I would just put the toast in the toaster, and then I put a little butter on it, and then I'd hit it with the cinnamon.
Ah.
So this may be something like that. But that's a treat. But when you're 12 years old, you survive. You're burning cows. Anyways, the brand announced on social media it's releasing a Cinnadust seasoning blend that tastes like the spice that gives Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal its defining flavor. The offering is a mix of cinnamon and sugar with hints of vanilla and graham to capture the unmistakable taste of a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. The product will be sold exclusively at Sam's Club. Cinnamon Toast Crunch said, well, that's not going to be available to enough people then. Anyways.
Yeah, they're missing out. They need to send it all over the world.
It's going to come out on September 1st, and you're going to be able to enhance the flavor of absolutely anything, and I'm not going to judge. If you need to Cinnadust your hamburger, you do what you got to do. If you need some Cinnadust in your burrito, you do what you got to do. If you need some Cinnadust on your toothbrush, that seems very counterproductive. But you do what you got to do.